The Dyson V15 Detect is a convenient stick vacuum specializing in hard surface performance. The model is a great solution for fine debris such as pet hair and flour, but it struggled with larger-sized messes like cereal or oatmeal. Your hands will likely tire very quickly as the trigger has to be held down the entire time you're vacuuming. Its high price is sure to keep some consumers away, especially considering the product's overall ability. But if you have a high budget and seek a product with smart features and well-rounded performance, then the V15 is a decent option. Reasons to buy: great battery life, lots of accessories, hardwood performance. Reasons to avoid: carpet performance, heavy, expensive. Our analysis and test results. The Dyson V15 Detect has the build quality consumers expect. Review Mate products reviews for any category. You can Amazon to join our community. Hit the subscribe button below, and if you notified, just click the bell icon. If you like this video, feel like helping us more. We launch paid campaigns. We can continue to create free review videos for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description below.